Today we're going to show you how to use the Eastwood Paintless Dent Removal Kit to pull out a dent in the roof of this shiny black Ford truck. The kit comes with everything you need to remove dents from hail damage, door dings, or shopping carts. And as we know, gloss black really shows imperfections, so this is going to be a great test for this tool. If at any time you want more information, all you have to do is click or tap the button in the top corner. Now let's get started. As you can see, the roof is nearly perfect. It didn't take much time and it really improved the appearance of this truck. And the best part, we still have plenty of supplies left over if we get more dents. For more information or to get your kit today, click or tap the button in the top corner or follow the link to visit eastwood.com.